Bonjour à tous, welcome to our French, where French sounds easy. Aujourd'hui, on va commencer avec leçon 0, Explorons la France. Today, we are going to start with lesson 0, Explorons la France, of the book NLF, Nouvel Apprendre Le Français, part 1. Let's begin. So this is the mouse, his name is Didou, and this is your French guide throughout the journey. I request all the viewers to please open your books in front of you so that you can take the important notes and understand better. France is often called l'hexagon because of its shape. Why France is called as hexagon? Because of the shape, as you can see in your book. The shape of France map looks like a hexagon. Hence, it is also called as hexagon. And the nickname of France is hexagon. Second, it occupies a favorable position in the European continent between Mediterranean Sea and the English Channel. Paris or Paris is the capital of France. Paris is also known as La Ville Lumière. Ville Lumière. Ville means city and Lumière means light. The city of lights. Why? Because of its role during the Age of Enlightenment and also because Paris was the first city to use gas street lights. French flag, le drapeau français, is tricolored. Flag of France is called as drapeau français, le drapeau français, and it has three colors in it: bleu, blanc, et rouge. That is blue, white, and red. Bleu, blanc, et rouge. France is well known for its museum like le Musée d'Orsay and Musée du Louvre. Le Musée du Louvre. The Louvre Museum is the very famous and the biggest museum of the world. And the second museum you need to learn is Le Musée d'Orsay. Its landmarks are, the important landmarks of France are La Tour Eiffel, that is Eiffel Tower, and it is very famous throughout the world. La Cathédrale de Notre-Dame. What is cathédrale? Cathédrale means church in French. La Cathédrale de Notre-Dame. Les Châteaux. Les Châteaux. Les Châteaux. Château means forts. It's cheese. Cheese. Cheese in French is called as les fromages. Les fromages français. Some of the famous French cheese are Camembert, Camembert, Brie, or you can say Brie, Gruyère, Gruyère. These are famous French cheese which is called as fromage français. Les fromages français. L'euro or euro is the currency of France. If somebody asks you what is the currency of France, you simply reply l'euro or euro is the currency of France. Next, le 14 juillet is the National Day of France. 14 July is celebrated as National Day of France. On the next page, we have Regardons des attractions en France. Let us look at some well-known attractions of France. Now here we will see the monuments and where they are located in France. Number 1, l'Arc de Triomphe de l'Étoile. It is located en haut des Champs-Élysées à Paris. I repeat, en haut des Champs-Élysées à Paris. À Paris. Second, le Musée du Louvre. Le Musée du Louvre. It is situated au centre de Paris, center of Paris, au centre de Paris. And this is the very famous and biggest museum in the world. In English, we call it Le Louvre. In French, we say Le Musée du Louvre. Third, Eiffel Tower. You all know it very well, and it is very famous tower all over the world. And this is located in au Parc du Champ de Mars à Paris. Next is les arènes d'Arles. Les arènes d'Arles. Amphithéâtre romaine. Amphithéâtre romaine. It is in au sud de la France à Arles. It is in the south of France in Arles. Next is la cathédrale de Notre-Dame. La cathédrale de Notre-Dame. Cathedral means church. This is a church of Notre-Dame. Dans l'île de la Cité Paris. Dans l'île de la Cité Paris. Next is le château de Versailles. Le château de Versailles. What is château? Château means forts or the palace. À Versailles, it is located in Versailles, près de Paris, near Paris. I hope you understood the lesson and found it easy. Let's do one exercise to make command over it. Question 1. Cochez la bonne réponse. Take the correct answer. Question 1. La capitale de la France, c'est. The capital of France is Paris. Question 2. Le Louvre est. Louvre is a musée. Very good. Louvre is a musée. Third, le drapeau français est. The French flag is. Correct. Bleu, blanc et rouge. Blue, white and red. Question 4. Le château de Versailles est. The palace of Versailles is located in. Très bien. À Versailles. Very good. I hope you understood the lesson and subscribe my channel Adore French and let me know your doubts in comment section. À bientôt.